In this video, we are going to see that if you accidentally hit any key on your keyboard, that turned on the UI navigation, and because of that you are unable to move in your game on Roblox. So here is how you can disable that UI navigation. So if you want to disable this, what you need to do is within the game, you will see this Roblox icon on the top left hand corner. Click on that and you will click on the help menu. And as you can see, this miscellaneous key indicates UI selection toggle. So this will toggle this off if we use this key. That is a backslash, but whatever is the key, you need to use that. So once we get to know that, we hit escape and hit the backslash. So as you can see, UI navigation is enabled, and because of that we cannot now move with the arrow keys. So all we need to do is just hit the backslash again, and it is now disabled. And you might not see the notification about it, but just try moving it in the game and you should be able to move again. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.